Any doubt? चलिए तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस और करते हैं. So, on the basis of transformation of the formulas, he's saying, for example, the first question of today, he's saying, prove that. Anybody want to say anything? कुछ किसी की आवाज क्रैक हो रही है. Anybody want to say? Garima is not there. Namanpreet, Sahil Sharma, Ayush. So we have to prove that cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, and cos 80 is equal to 1 by 16. This we have to see. Now see, when you have to solve this type of question, तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? जो तो वैल्यू नोन है, पहले तो उसको सब साइड पे कर लो. तो ये वैल्यू नोन है मेरी, cos 60 is to cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. This is so cos 60. So substitute the value of cos 60. This is 1 by 2 is to cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. तो अब एक तो हमारा सॉल्व हुआ. अब उसके बाद आई वांट टू डू द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ द थिंग्स. अब हमें पता है कि वी हैव अ रिजल्ट 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. ये रिजल्ट है. तो मैंने क्या किया, 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 is to cos 40, cos 20, cos 80. अब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 2 से डिवाइड भी करना पड़ेगा. सो ये बना, विच इंप्लाइज 1 by 4 is 2. Now this is 2 cos 40, cos 20. So 2 cos A cos B. So it will be cos A plus B, 40 plus 20, plus cos A minus B, 40 minus 20 is to cos 80, which implies 1 by 4 cos 60 plus cos 20 is to cos 80. So which is equal to 1 by 4 is to cos 60, 1 by 2, plus cos 20 is to cos 80. So which is equal to 1 by 8 cos 80 plus 1 by 4 cos 20 cos 80. So again, we will apply the result 1 by 8 cos 80 plus 1 by 4 divide by 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2. So which implies 1 by 8 cos 80 plus 1 by 8 bracket 2 cos 80 cos 20. This is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. plus 1 by 8 cos 100 plus cos 60. So which implies 1 by 8 cos 80 plus 1 by 8 cos 100 plus what is the value of cos 60? This is 1 by 2. So which implies 1 by 8 cos 80 plus 1 by 8 cos 100 plus 1 by 16. 1 by 8 is taking out. This is cos 100 plus cos 80 plus 1 by 16. Now apply the result sin cos C plus cos D. This is 2 cos C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2 plus 1 by 16. Just hold, please. Hold it. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी। कौन सी टेस्ट? अच्छा नहीं, वो एक्सेल की मैं क्लास की बात करता हूँ, क्लास मैं व्हाट्सएप में भेज दूंगा, मैम को जो भेज देता हूँ वही आपको फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा। ठीक है, मीटिंग कब होगी? अच्छा चलेगा हो सकती है। अच्छा मैम साथ में तो which implies 1 by 8. This is 2 cos 180 divided by 2 cos 20 divided by 2 plus 1 by 16, which implies, I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
It is just simple simplification. अब देखिए, this is 2 cos 90 cos 10 plus 1 over 16. So which implies 1 by 8, 2 cos 90, it is 0, is 2 cos 10 plus 1 by 16. So this entire thing is 0, which is equal to 1 by 16, which is equal to right hand side. Proved. So when this type of question comes, don't come in panic. Clear? इसको gradually धीरे धीरे करके इसको solve करते जाओ. Surely you will get the answer. But your approach should be appropriate and the formula should be correct. If you will try to use the wrong formulas and solve the questions, so it will not work. It will not work. So your approach should be right. Your formulas should be right. There will be no problem in solving the question if your approach and formulas are correct. Next question. ये नोट हो गया? Please note it down. So इस तरह का नोट कर लो. Now, one question I'm going to give you for home for practice. On the same ground, you have to solve this question. Prove that sin 10, sin 30, sin 50, sin 70 is equal to 1 by 16. This is the question 2 on the same ground you have to see this question. Now, the next question is, yes, this type of question is always important. So you have to take care of this also. He's saying, prove that 1020. So next period will be a broadcast period. So you have to take care of your revision. Try to revise this chapter so that you can give me your doubts tomorrow. Prove that this is equal to 1060. 1020, 1040, 1080 is equal to 1060. So I'm going with the left hand side. This is 1020, 1040, 1080. So can I write here sine 20 upon cos 20, sine 40 upon cos 40, sine 80 upon cos 80. So, which implies, now I want to go to the 10. So, 2 sine 40 साइन 20 मैंने ग्रुपिंग कर ली, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ऐसे ही नीचे 2 cos 40 cos 20 is 2 sin 80 upon cos 80. Now see, 2 sin A sin B. So 2 sin A sin B, I will go with the formula. 2 sin A sin B, this is equal to cos A minus B minus A plus B cos B minus A. So which is equal to, by using this result, my A is 40 and yes.
सर माइनस नहीं आएगा आगे 2 के, फिर ही तो ये आइडेंटिटी होगी.
नहीं वो मैंने वहां B माइनस A कर दिया ना बेटा, एंगल को उल्टा माइनस कर दिया.
ओके,
A माइनस B, यहाँ B. तो ये हुआ cos A plus B 40 plus 20 60 minus cos 20 minus 40 minus 20 over, तो 2 cos C cos D cos C plus D plus cos C minus D. So this is cos 40 plus 20 60 minus 40 minus this is cos 20 is to sine 80 upon cos 80. So this is equal to cos 60, cos of minus theta, this is cos theta. So I can, if I will cos 60 minus cos 20 upon cos 60 minus cos 20, so it will be cancelled, is 2 sine. This can be written as 60 minus 20 upon cos. This can be written as 60 minus 20. So it will go minus, yes, Nurpreet, you are right. Here I have to substitute, put minus, and this minus ultimately shift here, clear, on the other side. So this formula will be cos b minus a minus cos a plus b. तो फिर भी उसमें से एक माइनस बाहर आएगा, तो माइनस के साथ हमें कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा, चलिए कोई नहीं. Which implies now sin c minus sin a minus sin b, this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Under root 3 by 2 cos 20, 1 by 2 sin 20, 1 by 2 cos 20, under root 3 by 2 sin 20, which implies under root 3 cos 20 plus sin 20 divided by cos 20 plus under root 3 sin 20. अब यहां से आपको आगे प्रोसीड करना है सॉल्व करने के लिए. Now, the next question, which is again the part of the NCRT, but I feel this is also important for examination point of view. He's saying, पर ये इसने कल ले लिए थे दोनों doubts. Nurpreet has already discussed the doubts. चलिए, next question. He's saying, question is, prove that sine a minus c plus sine a plus c plus 2 sine a over sine b minus c plus sine b plus c plus 2 sine b is equal to sine a over b. This is the question. So left hand side, I'm going to start. Now see, I'm going to apply the formula sine C minus sine D. This entire is my, let it be X. This entire is my Y. So sine X plus sine Y. This is equal to 2 sine X plus Y by 2 and sine X minus Y by 2. So 2 sine X plus Y by 2 cos X minus Y by 2 plus 2 sine A. Now see, sine C plus sine D, the same formula, 2 sine this plus this by 2 cos so which implies 2 sine C goes 2A over 2, this is A cos. This goes 2C over 2 minus C plus 2 sine A over 2 sine, it goes 2B over this is B cos, it goes minus 2C over this is minus C plus 2 sine B. So which implies cos of minus theta, this is cos theta, so it will be 2 sine A cos C plus 2 sine A over 2 sine B cos C plus 2 sine B. आयुष इतनी लेट ज्वाइन कर लिया बेटा? Everything is fine? Now, can I take 2 sine A outside? I am going to take it as a common. This is cos C plus 1. 2 sine B outside. Cos C plus 1. Cancel. 2 goes with this, which implies it is equal to sine A upon sine B. Proved. So this type of question, these type of questions are important. Any doubt to any student in this? You are free to ask. Any doubt to any student? Nurpreet, Karman, Ankit, Ayush, Manvi, the things are clear? ओके तो
Yes,
एक बार फिर पूरी की पूरी एनसीईआरटी में से गो थ्रू हो बेटा, जहां पे भी आपको लगता है कि यू नीड सम असिस्टेंस, डिस्कस विद मी टुमारो. क्लियर? तो नेक्स्ट पीरियड के अंदर उसको पूरा रिवाइज करो जितना भी हो सकता है, एंड गिव यू मैक्सिमम टाइम टू फॉर द रिविजन. Tomorrow will be the last day because from 10th onward the schools are going to start, and we will then take a offline test for your practice also, and we will also do the maths activity because उससे पहले तो हो नहीं सकती जब तक स्कूल नहीं खुलते. तो बी रेडी, एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का टेस्ट आपका आते ही होगा ऑन 10th. 10 को ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का टेस्ट होगा. फाइन, परसों जैसे ही आप स्कूल आओगे. सो प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंगली. फाइन, जो भी डाउट्स हैं मेरे से डिस्कस कर लो. वी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, बट स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू आर फ्री टू आस्क. फाइन, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. Anybody want to ask something? Anything? Anybody want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Thank you.